Have you heard of the phrase, eyes are a window to the soul? Have you tried to guess someone's emotion just by looking them into the eyes? Hello, I'm Radost, and in today's video I'm going to show you the process of creating a beautiful space girl, as I like to call her, with watercolors. Also, I would like to share how I came up with the idea and what the human eyesight has to do with it. But before that, I want to remind you to click on that subscribe button for more art content videos. That will help me a lot. Thank you. So let's get started. There are so many myths, legends and superstitions surrounding the eyes, and I just don't know where to start from. There is still an unexplained part of human perceptions even for scientists. A few days before I got the idea of the drawing, I had a conversation about a book which was about a Bulgarian prophet who was actually blind. And that triggered my thoughts in that specific direction. And doing this simple research, I came across a few articles about superstitions concerning human eyes. If you stay till the end of the video, I'm going to share with you some of the superstitions about human eyes I've heard or read about. Do you know some? Tell me in the comment section down below. The magic of the human eyes and what still remains unseen for them became my inspiration, but how to express it with watercolors? I chose to express the unknown with the most obvious for me choice, the space and the deep ocean, or a combination of both. As we are on eye topic, here are some interesting superstitions and legends surrounding human eyes I would like to share with you. Some of the most common, which I heard in my lifetime experience, is the eye twitching. Long story short, the eye twitches can predict if something good or bad will happen. It just depends on the eye, left or right, or the hour that happens. I did my little research and found out that a lot of cultures have similar beliefs. Here is the moment to mention the evil eye. Yes, you heard that right. The evil eye and how to protect from it is probably the most pervasive superstition. Did you know that the bride's veil is also a sort of protection from spells and evil eyes? A lot of people believed that glances caused by envy or jealousy can affect the object of attention. And here come the amulets to protect you. Even I bought one in my trip to Turkey a few summers ago. Other very famous symbol which comes from ancient Egypt is the Eye of Horus. It represents protection, health and restoration. Why restoration? Simply because the god Horus lost his left eye in a battle with Seth, but was magically restored by the goddess Hathor. One very well-known god from Norse mythology, Odin, also is shown with one eye. Do you know why? He sacrificed it for a drink from Mimir's well, which gave him, can you guess what? Wisdom, deeper knowledge. It's really interesting how so often to receive that knowledge you have to give something really special for you, for example your eyesight. Or maybe it means that you have to stop seeing through your eyes to reach that wisdom. These questions are probably far beyond my knowledge. I don't know, but that was it, the story behind my artwork this time. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye!